Hi guys, it's Mike Rubin from Stadium Sportscards, and tonight, for the nice folks at Sports Collectors Daily, we are doing a box review of 2016 Topps Archives Baseball. Archives has been out for about 2 weeks now. It's been an incredible seller for us at the store. We've brought in multiple cases and sold out of multiple cases. We actually just restocked another one today. I'm guessing at this point we've probably gone through 4, which is fairly healthy for a mid-season release. This one's definitely known for its vintage style. You've got a number of different sets that are going to be replicated in here, and you're going to see a mixture of newer players as well as retired guys. There are going to be 2 autographs per box, and what's really cool about them is they have Bull Durham movie cards. Now, some of those are actually signed. Probably the coolest one we've seen so far has been Tim Robbins. We had one of those pop out the other night. It was individually numbered, and haven't seen a Costner yet. That would kind of be the kill one right there. Among the sets that's been replicated are the 1991 Topps, and not that they are a particularly special set, but oh, there you go, nice. But what's really nice about it is that in the original 1991 Topps, there were Desert Storm cards, Desert Shield, and they have actually brought those back. We had somebody pull a Willie Mays one the other day, and we've also seen a Clayton Kershaw. So the response has been just killer. Wow, look at that one. Bryce Harper. Nothing wrong with that. It's a 300 card base set. Now there are some numbered above 300, which are short prints. We'll take a look for those. The autograph selection is good. I want to stop short of calling it incredible. Gary Sanchez rookie card right there. It's been really nice. We've seen some really good ones. I haven't seen any OMG cards. Now they do have out there is a Nolan Ryan and Clayton Kershaw dual autograph, and obviously that would be a super beast. Here we go. Here's one of our Bull Durham insert cards. Not signed, but we're not done yet. And just to show you, yes, we do have retired guys in here as well. Kind of interesting to see Roger Maris and Rizzuto on the 1991 card design. And 91 is kind of an interesting one. It was the last year that we actually saw the Topps chewing gum inside the packs, if I remember correctly. All right, let's peek for anything above 300. Nothing there. What do we have? Phil Niekro. Ozzie Smith. There's a Strasburg insert. Let's see, in addition to the 91s, we're also seeing the 53 design. And the 78. If I remember correctly, we had 3 of the Desert Shield cards come out of our cases so far, so they are definitely not one per case. Eck, I've seen autographs from him. Oh, there you go! Wow, Nucleus autograph. This should be individually numbered. Tim Robbins out of 295. Wow, we do give all of our cards away. I actually watched this movie with my son Sam the other night. That is an on-card autograph. And, ow. Well, I guess we'll have to come up with some fun way to give that one out. Maybe on the Facebook page, as a part of the review, you guys could come up with some ideas on how to give this away. Wow, that's a killer one. Sam, you remember him from the movie the other night?
Which movie?
What do you mean, which movie? From Bull Durham.
Oh, that was a good movie.
Okay. He was a little bit eccentric, right?
You've shown me like 50 movies so far.
Oh, well, there you go.
And they're good.
Harmon Killebrew, Cepeda, and Edgar Martinez. There's 3 retired guys in a row. All right, still no short prints, but I'm not complaining. This box is already going to be a winner. Bernie. There's Ryan Sandberg in the 53 design. That's cool. Catfish, Carter, and Hector Oliveira. That's cool. Can't complain about a Hank Aaron card. Justin Morneau with the Rockies. Okay.
Oh.
I wonder what the baseball guys think about themselves with the older card stock, older card styles. I wonder actually how many really appreciate that they're getting used like that. Hey, Rod. Looks like we have a blue parallel coming up of Greg Biggio, and this one's numbered 122 out of 199. Excuse me, pardon me. Thompson. He seems to be doing okay for a rook. Michael Thompson's son. Had a walk-off home run the other night, I believe. Not getting quite as much attention as his brother is, but when you play for the Dodgers, you're on a visible team. All right, what do you think? Should they have chosen a different photo for Oscar Gamble? I'm going with yes. And there's our second autograph. Again, it's an on-card of Sandy Alomar Jr. Excuse me. Let me get this right. It's Sandy Alomar Sr. Now, this one's not individually numbered, but that's okay. I hope somebody break open 2 cases the other night. You would think I'd be able to keep track of all the short prints. Heck, I was even doing the sorting. And there's a King Griffey Jr. insert. Still want to pull one of those Desert Shield cards. That would just be killer. Here's an insert of D. Gordon and Tom Gordon, the father-sons. I remember those the first go around. I remember the Smallies, and I believe Berra was in there as well, or Berras were in there. David Ortiz last year. Altuve's on the popular side. 1, 2, 3 from 2001 or 91. Jose Reyes, yeah, just take the year off, buddy. Ron Bloomberg. Insert. Oh, wow, way cool. Jackie Robinson and Rod Carew. All right, we have another insert from Bull Durham. Not as cool as getting an autograph, but I won't complain. And 3 more 91s. All right, looks like we have another 6 packs or so. Honus Wagner. Slightly more affordable than the more famous one. Kyle Seager, brother of Josh Donaldson insert. Conforto rookie card. Good selection of rookies in here. No Trevor Story yet. We're going to see Top Series 2 soon, so I expect to see him in there. Robin Yount. Nice. Can't go wrong with a Mike Trout insert. Tom Terrific, followed by Burt Blyleven. There we go. Couple father-son action insert. And I get to these last 3. I keep hoping to see one of the desert cards. The original, for those of you who don't know, they were originally distributed to soldiers. And when they came back, people were like, what's going on with the stamped cards? And you would see those things sell for hundreds of times what the base cards were going for. Cool. John Gray from the Colorado Rockies. Finally getting some W's this year. Carlos Correa. All right, 2 packs left. Alrighty, last pack time, then we'll show off our inserts once again. Guys, make sure you take a look at the Facebook page for Sports Collectors Daily and see how to win this card. I'm not going to give this one away to one of my regulars. We're going to put this off in the mail, and one of you guys are going to get to take it home. Another parallel. This one is numbered at 199 on the top left there. And last 2 cards, Kraken Encarnacion. All right, let's do a rundown again of all of our inserts and autographs. Pretty good mix of inserts and parallels. Here's our second autograph, Sandy Alomar Sr. Biggio parallel. Sonny Gray. I think we know that's Mr. Harper. Mr. Rosberg and Nuke LaLouche, signed as Tim Robbins. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. And let's see who's going to go ahead and take this card home. We'll come up with a fun way to make sure that one of you guys get it. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our videos, and we'll hopefully be showing you more soon.